I'm Pedro, I'm from Brazil. I choose Canada because me and my wife we always wanted to have an experience abroad, and we wanted a place that we could talk in English because that's the language that we know best, and that's something we don't have in Brazil. And Conestoga seemed to be the best option for the career I was choosing. So I'm an architect from Brazil, and I was choosing to go to game design, and I wanted a place that I could learn more about 3D, modeling and texturing and all that stuff, and Conestoga seemed the right fit. Since the beginning, I started talking to the professors because I saw how much experience they had in the field and talking about the ways I could explore my knowledge and get to go straight forward to the direction I want to go. So they were always open to that, and even their classes, they really know the subject they are teaching. They have great examples and they're always willing to help the students. I think the professors ask you to do a great job and you have the opportunity to explore that. So that's how it challenged me, because I always want to deliver my best, because they are the first contact I have with people from the game industry, and I think their feedback's really helpful for me to grow, and trying to do my best every time is the way I challenge myself. And there's a lot of assignments to do, so that's challenging as well. You have to manage your time. The classrooms from my program, they are really good. They have top quality equipment. We can draw on our desks and all that stuff, the digital desks. From my field, it depends a lot on the work you put on. So if you do good assignments, you already have a portfolio for presenting to companies and all the stuff. Professors talk a lot of the future paths you should take. So I think I'm going to a good direction with that. I'm really confident about it, and I see that the tools they give me are really good for me to get started in the job position real soon after I finish Conestoga. The experience of living in Canada, for me, experiencing snow for the first time is a great thing. I was always imagined how it would look like, and it's better than I imagined, so I'm really happy with that. And even the daily things, they are really different for me, and I'm really enjoying it so far.